High heels, one of the most iconic fashion statements that have stood the test of time. From the red carpet to casual outings, heels have transformed the way we express style and elegance, whether it as stilettos, block heels, or platform heels. There's something about the extra height that gives us that confidence boost we all love. But today, we were not just talking about any heels, we were diving into the world of long high heels. These heels, often touring at 4 inches and above, are the ultimate symbol of fashion forward thinking. They elevate any outfit, literally and figuratively, and instantly make you stand out in a crowd. Think about it, that special occasion where you need to look your absolute best. A pair of long heels can turn even the simplest dress into something glamorous, whether you're walking into a party, a wedding, or a night out with friends. Long high heels are sure to make heads turn. They give your posture a graceful curve and highlight the beauty of legs. But it's not just about appearances. Wearing long high heels in an experience, the feeling of confidence when you slip them on, the empowerment of standing tall. It no wonder that heels have been a go-to choice for fashion enthusiasts worldwide. They were not just footwear, they were a statement. Of course, with great style comes great responsibility. Choosing the right pair of long heels that are comfortable and fit perfectly is key to enjoying your time in them. So whether or you're looking for something sleek and elegant or bold and daring, make sure you find the perfect match for your style. And if you love learning more about fashion, high heels, and how they can elevate your look, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and tapping the bell icon. You will stay updated on all our latest videos about the best in fashion and styling tips. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. So, whether you are just starting your journey with high heels or you are